This standard $1.50 bottle of hydrogen peroxide sitting in your medicine cabinet right now is easily one of the most powerful detailing tools on the market. Here is the shocking part. Detailing shops and mechanics charge thousands of dollars for interior deep cleans, headlight restorations, and odor removals, even though many of these jobs can be done using hydrogen peroxide. In this video, we are uncovering 9 hydrogen peroxide car hacks mechanics don't want you to know. Stick around until the end because hack number 5 alone can save you about $500 in car repairs. Let's dive in. Hack number 9. The Organic Stain Obliterator. If you have ever spilled coffee, dropped food, or had an emergency pet mess on your fabric seats, then you know how quickly fabric upholstery can become stained and smelly. Professional detailing shops often charge between $150 and $300 for interior upholstery extraction. Yet standard 3% hydrogen peroxide achieves comparable organic stain removal through the natural power of oxidation. It literally eats away biological stains without leaving harsh chemical fumes. Here is how to use hydrogen peroxide to clean your fabric seats. Step 1. Mix 1 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide with 1 tablespoon of Dawn dish soap in a spray bottle. Step 2. Mist a tiny concealed area on the back of the seat to confirm color fastness. Step 3. Spray the solution directly onto the stain until damp, but do not oversaturate the foam underneath. Step 4. Allow the solution to dwell for 2 to 3 minutes to let oxygen bubbles loosen the residue. Step 5. Gently scrub the area using a soft bristle nylon carpet brush in circular motions. Step 6. Press a clean, white microfiber towel firmly into the fabric to blot up the lifted stain and moisture. Repeat with a dry towel and boom, looks brand new. Hack number 8. Remove dried bug splatter and bird dropping. Highway bugs and bird droppings contain acidic proteins that eat directly into your car's clear coat if left in the sun. Scrubbing them off while they are dry can grind abrasive debris into the paint and leave behind permanent swirl marks and scratches. But hydrogen peroxide can help you to safely neutralize and break down these protein structures in seconds. Here is how to use it. Step 1. Lay a flat paper towel or light microfiber cloth directly over the dried bug or bird stain on the bumper or hood. Step 2. Spray the paper towel thoroughly with 3% hydrogen peroxide until it is soaking wet and sticks flush against the paint. Step 3. Allow the saturated towel to sit on the surface for 60 to 90 seconds out of direct sunlight. Step 4. Lightly press down on the towel and pull it towards you in one fluid swipe. The dissolved bug proteins will transfer directly into the towel. Step 5. Mist the paint with clean water and wipe dry with a clean microfiber cloth to remove remaining residue. This zero-scratch technique preserves the factory clear coat thickness without stripping away underlying protective wax layers. Hack number 7. Restore oxidized headlights. Yellowed, foggy headlights don't just make your car look old, they can reduce nighttime visibility by up to 80%. Many repair shops charge around $120 for a basic headlight restoration. But if your lenses are only beginning to turn yellow from surface UV oxidation, then hydrogen peroxide can help to restore it. Here is how to restore your headlights using hydrogen peroxide. Step 1. In a plastic bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of 3% hydrogen peroxide, and 3 drops of liquid dish soap. Stir into a thick, foaming slurry. Step 2. Rinse the headlight thoroughly with clean water to remove dirt, sand, and road grime that could scratch the lens while polishing. Step 3. Apply a generous amount of the paste to a folded microfiber cloth and polish the headlight using firm, overlapping circular motions for about 2 minutes, focusing on the most yellowed areas. Step 4. Rinse the lens with clean water to wash away all remaining residue and inspect the surface for any missed spots. Step 5. Dry the headlight completely with a clean microfiber towel until the lens is free of moisture. Step 6. Finish by applying a thin coat of car wax or a UV-resistant synthetic sealant. This protective layer helps slow future UV damage, keeps the lens clearer for longer, and extends the results of your restoration. Hack number 6. Remove rust from hand tools. If you've ever left a wrench, pliers, screwdriver, or socket set in a damp garage, then you've probably discovered orange rust covering the metal. According to industry estimates, corrosion costs manufacturers and consumers more than $300 billion annually, and hand tools are among the most commonly affected items. Light surface rust not only makes tools look old, but it can also reduce grip, damage fasteners, and shorten the tool's lifespan. Here, hydrogen peroxide works as a lifesaver. Here is how to use it to remove rust from your hand tools. Step 1. Mix 3% hydrogen peroxide with baking soda until it forms a thick paste. Step 2. Coat the rusted portions of the tool completely. Step 3. Allow the paste to remain on the surface for 30 to 45 minutes, giving the oxidation time to soften. Step 4. Now, scrub the tool using a nylon brush, brass brush, or fine steel wool until the rust begins lifting away. Step 5. Rinse the tool thoroughly with clean water. Step 6. Dry the tool immediately using a microfiber towel or compressed air. Step 7. Finish the process by applying a light coat of machine oil or a corrosion inhibitor to protect the bare metal. Hack number 5. Remove musty air conditioner odors. Have you ever noticed a damp, moldy smell coming from your air vents every time you turn on the air conditioner? That unpleasant odor is usually caused by bacteria, mold, and mildew growing on the evaporator core, where moisture naturally collects during normal AC operation. Automotive HVAC experts estimate that over 60% of foul cabin odors originate from microbial growth inside the evaporator housing rather than from the cabin air filter itself. Hydrogen peroxide can help kill these microorganisms before they multiply and spread throughout the cabin. To perform this hack, follow these steps. Step 1. First, replace your dirty cabin air filter if necessary, because a clogged filter can trap moisture and contaminants. Step 2. Set the AC to fresh air mode with the blower running on medium speed. Step 3. Spray a small amount of 3% hydrogen peroxide into the exterior air intake located near the base of the windshield while the fan is operating. Step 4. Allow the blower to circulate the peroxide vapor through the ventilation system for several minutes. Step 5. Now, let the blower continue running without the AC compressor for another 5 to 10 minutes to help dry the evaporator core. Never spray